Hello, in this video I will show you how to add eSIM on your OnePlus 12. So you have to start with opening your settings application, then click on mobile network and then click on eSIM and now click on add eSIM. Then click on download a new eSIM. And now you have to scan QR code from your eSIM starter. Now click download. And now you have to type in your PIN from your eSIM starter. Now you have to wait for a while. And now click on settings and click on eSIM. And here is your eSIM, and you can click on this 3 dots icon and then click enable. Now click yes. And as you can see, your eSIM is now added and activated. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.